Hey guys, so ouch, I forgot to make an intro again, so here's my intro. Yes, I've been gone for so long. I've been busy with school, with work, and life in total, so that was my phone, sorry. So I'm back. I will try uploading every Monday again. It's gonna be like a little mix match. Some is gonna be makeup, some might be vlogs, some might be like girl talk in a way. So I hope you like my video. I hope you're not that mad at me that I've been gone for way too long, because I know I have. Also, peep my Christmas decoration over here. Okay, so I hope you like the video that you're about to see. I don't know which way it is, but before you go, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below what else you would like to see. And yeah, bye!
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Tomorrow is soon, we'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark, one more oasis. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood.